An ordinary die is a cube with numbers 1 through 6 on the sides. Imagine that such a die is rolled twice in succession. That just means rolled twice in a row. And that the face values of the two rolls are added together. And all that means is that you add up the two results. So for example, if the first roll was a 5 and the second roll was a 2, you add them together to get a sum of 7. It goes on to say the sum is recorded as the outcome of a single trial of a random experiment, blah, 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 blah. Compute the probability of each of the following events. Event A, the sum is greater than 5. So what's being asked is that you calculate the probability of the sum being greater than 5 when you roll 2 dice. Okay, so let's go to a probability chart of dice being rolled out. And what we're going to do is add up the odds of all the numbers that are bigger than 5. We're going to add all their odds together so we can answer this problem. So here's a chart that shows all of the different outcomes of rolling a pair of dice. So you can see a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These are all the possible outcomes. You can also see all the way to the right the odds of that outcome occurring. So in this case, rolling a 2 is the most, it's tied for the most unlikely event with rolling a 12 for 1 out of 36. Because there's only one way to roll a 2, and that's to get a 1 and then a 1. Okay, so that's how these odds work. Now going back to our question, what's the odds of rolling a sum greater than 5? What we would need to do is get all the odds for the numbers greater than 5 and add them up. So the odds of rolling a 6, we'll start with that. It's 5 out of 36. We'll get 7. That's 6 out of 36. 8 is 5 out of 36. 9 is 4 out of 36. 10 is 3 out of 36. 11 is 2 out of 36, and 12 is 1 out of 36. So just add all those numerators up. Notice I already made all those denominators nice and tidy for you. So we would do 5 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So add all those up. So let's see. There's 11, 16, 23, 25, 26. So it appears the odds of rolling a sum greater than 5 would be 26 out of 36. So go in, we would write that answer. 26 out of 36 for event A. Event B says, what are the odds that the sum is divisible by 3? So let's go look at all the sums that are divisible by 3. Okay. So all the sums divisible by 3. Obviously 3 itself is divisible by 3. So is 6, so is 9, and so is 12. All right. So there's 4 different outcomes, but then we need to also add their odds to really answer this. So this is 2 out of 36 plus 5 out of 36. So far we're at 7 out of 36. If you add in 9's odds, that's going to be now 11 out of 36 after we added the 4. And finally, we add 12. So 12 out of 36. And going back, we answer for event B. It's 12 out of 36. If you're asked to simplify that, which we're not here, so you can just leave these answers, but if you were, this would be 1/3. This would be 13 over 18. And that's it.